Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. This is just a little quickie. Not a quickie, this is just a little short one. This is Tracy, and I want to show you something. I've been wondering if you can sublimate on a certain item, and I was talking to Uni, and I asked her, do you think you could sublimate? She said, I don't know, try it. I said, yep, I'm gonna do the Uni. I'm gonna just try some stuff and see. Check this out. Check this out. What is this? What is this? This is cork. This is cork. It's the cork backing that I put on a coaster. Okay? Hold on. Hold on. So this is what I put on there. I see now in the center, I didn't have enough pressure, but it took most of that ink out. And look here, y'all, would you look at this? Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. It's sublimated. Have y'all seen this before? I haven't seen anybody do this before. It worked, y'all. And I see the little point. I see right there where, I didn't have the pressure, but it's okay. It did fairly well. I'm excited now. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. But I can do these for my coasters, and this is a coaster. This is the coaster that I'm giving away to a prize winner, including it in the prize that they won. I wanted to give something that I touched, and this is what they're gonna get. But I'm excited. Can you hear it in my voice? I'm excited. Look, come look at this. Come look at this on cork. Well, all right then. Thank you so much. Let me do it that way. Hit the thumbs up. Peace out. We'll see you soon, okay? Y'all come back now. You're here for me. Come back. I'd appreciate it. Have a great one.